thing than to be united. In Genesis 11, verse 6, it says that there were these people who built a tower, and they were united. They spoke one language. They were speaking in one accent. And it made God to come down from heaven, because whatever they had decided to do would succeed, but they were doing it for the wrong thing. But if they were doing it for the right thing, then nothing would be impossible for them. I believe as we gather today, we desire reconciliation. This country belongs to us. We are commanded by our God that if you don't forgive one another, even the Father in heaven will not forgive you. And therefore, let us learn to forgive one another. Let us learn to speak one language, in one accent, and be in one accord, so that the vulnerables who are in this nation can start to see us and to experience the grace of God through us. Because it is only when we are in one accord that God works. May God bless you as you continue.
Thank you, Pastor Dorcas. My brother Rigiji doesn't need to pray.